we are going to be back in the kitchen this week for our weekly life skill activity. For this week, we'll be using the microwave to make a cookie in a mug. For our OT goals, this is a great way to work on fine motor skills. We have some opportunities to scoop and measure. Lots of stirring will happen here as well. You can use your pointer finger to operate the microwave. Related to the microwave, we have some work with weighting and impulse control, kind of working alongside with that, following directions and following multiple steps. You should have gotten a visual recipe along with this video, so use that and follow along with the recipe. While making it, you can give your students one or two jobs. They don't have to do the entire thing or be expected to do the entire thing by themselves. Perhaps their job will be to do the scooping and putting the ingredients into the mug, or they'll be stirring. Maybe they'll do both of those jobs. Maybe their job will be to operate the microwave. So give your student one of those tasks to do, or multiples, and I hope it goes really well. Here's mine. Okay, here's our ingredients. We need butter, vanilla, white sugar, brown sugar, some salt, 1 egg yolk, and some flour. Bonus ingredients will be chocolate chips, sprinkles, ice cream, or chocolate syrup. For supplies, you're going to need a mug, measuring spoons, and a spoon for mixing. Here's step 1. We're going to add the butter to the mug, bring it over to the microwave, and this will go in there for 20 seconds. So we'll need to press 2, 0, then start. And then we wait. It'll come out looking like this. Step 2 is to add a pinch of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla. You're gonna mix that all together, and it'll look like this. Then for step 3, we're gonna add the yolk and mix it all together again. Here's step 4. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. And we'll mix it all together. Make sure you mix it really well. There we go. Step 5 is to add your bonus ingredients. So I'm adding sprinkles. You can add chocolate chips if you'd like, and then you can mix it all together. Step 6 is to put it in the microwave. We're going to cook it for 60 seconds. So 6, 0, start, and we wait. And the final product looks like this. If you like, you can add ice cream and chocolate syrup. Hope you enjoy.